Every night, Lisa heard strange noises coming from her neighbor's apartment, a soft humming followed by muffled laughter. One evening, she noticed the apartment was completely dark, the door slightly ajar. Curious, she peeked inside and found it empty. No furniture, no signs of anyone ever living there. When she asked the landlord about it, he looked puzzled. "That apartment's been vacant for years," he said. Lisa's heart raced as she hurried back to her apartment, only to hear the humming start again, this time from her own bedroom.